Lemon Walk. In this video, I will show you how you can write in any copywriting framework whatsoever. But first of all, what are copywriting frameworks? And that's what ChatGPT is for. It can help us to understand what these frameworks are, even though I have a grasp on these frameworks and I've been using them for a long amount of years now. But for those of you that don't know what I'm talking about, let me go and just write a prompt here. So here I'm saying, teach me about all copywriting frameworks. And if I hit enter, it's going to go into teacher mode. And now it's giving us all the copywriting frameworks that exist. AIDA, which stands for attention, interest, desire, action. It's basically explaining what each letter is. PAS, which is what we're going to use, which is problem, agitate, solve, or problem, agitate, solution. This one is the most commonly used, which, by the way, is a framework where you start off by identifying the problem or the pain point that the reader is experiencing, and then you agitate by making them feel that there's an urgent need for them to change or make a change. And then solution, which is presenting your product or service as the ultimate solution that would solve their problem and make their pain go away. And so whenever you're writing emails, this is what you should use. You should use these particular frameworks, at least one of them. I will use the PAS. But first of all, what is it exactly that you want to write an email about? Let's say you want to write an email about getting a job. And let's say that the job you're trying to get is as a chief marketing executive. Now, let's ask ChatGPT. So in this case, I'm saying, my name is Raman Alexander. I'm 23-year-old and marketing director at Procter & Gamble. And I'm asking ChatGPT to write an email using the PAS, which is problem, agitate, solution framework, to apply for a job at Tesla, or as Tesla CMO, Chief Marketing Officer. And let's say that I have 8 years of experience. So watch that if I click enter, it's going to immediately go ahead and start writing this email. So this is the email. Dear Tesla hiring team, I'm writing to express my interest in the Chief Marketing Officer, CMO position at Tesla. With over 8 years of experience as a marketing director, I have owned my ability to drive brand growth, innovate marketing strategies, and engage consumers in a meaningful ways, and so on and so forth. The problem, well, in this case, Tesla has a visionary company, faces challenges. Now, I see that this is a pretty good email, but it's quite large. Someone say shorten it and make it concise. So if I hit enter, it's going to proceed right now, and it's going to rewrite the new email. So now it's more, let's just say it's shorter. The problem, in this case, it says, as Tesla continues to lead in innovation, the challenge is ensuring its marketing evolves to connect with a changing tech-savvy audience amidst increasing competition. The agitation side is, with consumer preferences rapidly shifting, Tesla needs a marketing strategy that stands out and drives brand loyalty to maintain growth. Then the solution is my experience in leading beta-driven multi-channel campaigns and building strong, engaging brands positions me to help Tesla not only stay ahead, but also deepen customer connections. And you can see that this is a well-written email. And by the way, you have to remove these problem, agitate, solution from the email. So only copy the email itself without these problem, agitate, solutions, which only meant to be tags for you to let you know which is the problem, which is the agitate part, and which is the solution part. I hope that you have learned something pretty useful in this video, and I will see you in the next one.